In 2015, Infinity Lux was created to innovate in the luxury transportation industry. We offer diverse and varied services to provide a unique high-end experience to our clients. Our founder, with years of experience, has acquired the necessary skills to meet the needs of our clients. Our team is made up of experienced professionals who work together to provide quality service. We offer personalized services such as private chauffeur service. We provide high-end transportation wherever you are in the world. Thanks to our expertise, we offer quality services. Vehicle rental. We have an online booking platform specializing in vehicle rental throughout France and worldwide. We work directly with the largest car rental companies. Concierge service. We provide services such as the transport of valuable packages or the organization of a Valentine's Day surprise. We select the best restaurants for unforgettable moments in high-end dining establishments. We also offer real estate rental services such as a villa, a chalet, or a domain. You also have the option to book a private jet or yacht with Infinity Lux. In addition to these innovative services that set us apart, we also offer valet parking services. A bodyguard service. To ensure your safety, Infinity Lux provides armored cars with agents who will discreetly take care of your protection. To ensure that you can enjoy a comfortable trip with Infinity Lux and not miss anything, we have centralized various services to make your life easier.